So guys, it's been over 30 days of me regrowing my beard. And what would I do different? Well, stay tuned and you'll be able to see. Let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And on this episode, I'm going to share with you guys what I would have done different from the first time I've started to grow my beard to now. I'm on another beard journey, regrowing my beard. And the number one thing that I would have done differently in the beginning was I would have gotten a satin pillowcase. You see, what a satin pillowcase will do is it's going to help with keeping your beard hydrated. It's going to help with keeping your beard moisturized throughout the night. And had I been able to go back to the first time I started growing my beard, then I would have implemented this tool in my toolbox. The second thing that I would have done is I would have been more consistent. First, I would have developed a better morning and night beard care routine. And then I would have been a lot more consistent. I wasn't consistent with my routine. In fact, I didn't even have a routine. So I really didn't know what I was doing. I was like walking in the dark, trying to find my way through this hallway and trying to find the right door that was going to lead me to a better, healthy beard growth. And the third thing that I would have done is I would have steamed my beard. I would have done more beard steams. And the beard steam is so helpful because it just gives you so much hydration in the beard. It also helps with hydrating the skin because the skin is the most essential, your best asset to growing a beard. It is the soil, my brothers. It is the soil to your beard growth. All right, it's gonna help nourish that beard. It's gonna help keep that beard healthy. And the fourth thing that I would have done, I would have done a beard detox. You guys can hear me talk about this all the time, and I will not stop talking about it because it's the best thing that could have happened to my beard and to my skin. And last but not least, the fifth thing that I would have done is I would have exfoliated. You know how much discomfort I went through, how much pain and agony I went through with all these ingrown hairs and the itchiness. And all I had to do was do a beard scrub. It would have helped me manage the situation. Had I known, it probably would have turned out a lot better. Wouldn't have been as rigorous. But I made it nonetheless. You live, you learn. And now that this is another journey that I'm going through, showing you guys a step-by-step, day-by-day, week-by-week beard journey, I'm doing things a little bit differently. And it's actually working a lot better. My beard is shining, it's popping, it's glowing, it's healthier, it's hydrated. So that's what I would have done differently in my first 30 days if I could rewind back the hands of time. But I can't, and we're here, so now we can get it into gear. Well, I hope these tips help you on your journey, because again, we all have an individual journey. So continue to grow the best version of your beard. This is your boy B. Please watch our next episode. Don't forget to watch our previous episode. We have tons of information, and then we also will have some episodes down in the description. As always, I'm out.